So we moved away in. Shimmying right up. Who is it? Where'd he go?
Oh, he's going for the ear.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh, that was really cute. Did you get a picture of the
Do you want me to get him off?
No, not yet. I'm not hurt yet, so.
I think he's after your glasses is what it is.
If I don't just nibble on the glasses, I'm nibbling on your ear.
You like it.
Oh, he's giving me a little trim. Oh! Okay.
Tried taking him down and he bit my finger. He likes Rob too much.
Likes Rob too much.
Why don't you try your finger? Because he wouldn't go for mine.
Ow.
I don't know what we're supposed to do. I'm finished with you now.
He's like, no, I'm coming with you. So leave me here with the turtles. You're the tops, friend. We like you.